How to check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Yahoo Mail application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you land on this page, navigate at the bottom left corner. There is an inbox option. Tap on it. Now you will have this menu box in your interface. If you swipe down a bit, there you'll find spam option. Tap on it. Then you'll be taken into this page where you can find all your spam on your Yahoo Mail. In order to manage it, tap and hold in it. And there you get various options either to delete all messages from this center, view all the messages from this center, or mark it as not spam. So you can manage accordingly according to your preferences. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.